Ryan has come from across the road from the aged care centre, and he actually came and complained to me there was a little bit of noise this morning, because of the Eid prayer, because we had microphones outside. I've been sitting with him for about 10-15 minutes trying to give him some food to take home to make our brother satisfied. I said to him, he came here to complain, but I want you to take the food home. I want you to go home as a Muslim. And our brother here, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has opened up his heart to become Muslim. Brian, you're doing this on your own free will?
Exactly.
Okay. So Brian, you repeat after me. Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
An.
La.
Ilaha.
Illallah.
Illallah. Wa. Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
Anna. Muhammad. Abduhu. Wa Rasul. Allah.
الله اكبر
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر.
I don't have the keys, man. The keys. Welcome him to Islam. Welcome him to Islam. Rahma. Have a big family now.
Welcome, brother.